Hello everybody and welcome in this video. We're gonna go over the steps that we follow in order to install your strict action automation for workflows, which is a tool that's gonna help you automate actions directly from your workflow for your Strict account. So how do we set it up? First off, Strict is an extension for your Gmail account, so you manage it from there. In order to get it installed, you have to inside your sub account. You come down here at the app marketplace and you search for the app, have Shrek, allowed and install. There's a key required, which is the API key. So how do we get this key? We just have to switch to our Gmail account where we manage Shrek. So inside our Gmail account, we come here, integrations, we scroll down, custom integrations, and we have the API key that we just created. We can go on create new key and we create one. So let's copy this, we paste it, we're going to continue, we select the plan, we confirm, we're going to complete installation, and you guys are ready to go to execute actions directly from your workflows for your Strict account. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who is also available 24/7. Thank you for watching this video, guys.